Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In today's video, we will talk about something that we all use every day, search engines. But I am not going to just talk about the Google. I will show you three of the best search engine tools that are smart, helpful, and sometimes even better than Google, depending on what you are trying to search. Now you may ask, what is search engine tool? Well, it's a tool or website where you type something to search and it shows you result from the internet. Google is a search engine, but there are others too, and some of them have extra feature that can save you a lot of time and show you the better answers. So there are hundred of search engine available on the internet, but in this video I am going to talk about the best three search engine tool. So before we start, I just want to say one thing, that you can check the description of this video. Maybe I will add the official link of the search engine tools. So the first search engine I want to share with you is u.com. So this is a new kind of search engine that uses artificial intelligence. It is not only search engine like Google, but it also works like a chatbot. You can ask it question and it gives you the real answers, not just link. It shows you web results, news, images, videos, and even tools like summarizers, writers, or code helpers, all in one place. It also have a private mode, so your search history is not tracked. It's a free to use tool, but you can go with the paid plan for a better result. And the second tool is called Perplexity AI. This one is also search engine, but it's built with AI that answers your question like smart assistant. You don't just type keyword, you can type full question and it will give you a written answer and show you the sources in the upper section of the answers, so you will know from where the information came. So this is very helpful for students, researchers, or anyone who wants quick, clean answers without going through many websites. It is completely free and very easy to use, and also supports follow-up questions, so you can continue the conversation. So it is completely free to use in the beginning stage. If you want, then you can go with free plan, but it has the paid plan also, and it is very easy to use. And the third tool I want to tell you about is Kagi. So this one is a premium search engine, which means it is not free, but it offers a special experience. It is made for people who are tired of ads and useless results in Google. Kagi gives you clean results, no ads, and you can even control which website you want to see more or less of. So it has a very fast and private system. They do have a free trial, but mostly is paid. So people who do a lot of online research or work really like it because it saves time and remove distraction. So these were the three search engine tools I wanted to show you today. If you want a smart and AI based search engine with many tools inside, then u.com is a good choice for you. If you want fast answer with source, then Perplexity AI is perfect. And if you want premium search with no ad and full control, then Kagi is a very strong option for you. So that's all for today's video, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you like this kind of content in simple English, then stay with us by subscribing Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video.